Today, I'll show you how to add Grammarly to Google Docs. Grammarly is designed to support proofreading and grammar learning in the context of your writing. It also checks for errors and offers word choice suggestions. So to add Grammarly to your Google Docs document, you first of all open up your web browser on your PC, then you search for grammarly.com. You press your enter key to open it up. Once it is opened, you click on the install button or add to Chrome to download or add the extension to your PC, and it will be downloaded here. Once it is opened, you click on the extension icon and make sure to pin the Grammarly to the windows. After it is being pinned, it would appear here as you can see. Now, you go back to your Google Docs, you click on the Grammarly icon. You'll be prompted to log in with your account, or you sign up if you don't have an account. Once you're done logging in or signing up, you click on the Grammarly icon here again, and you will see these options. It is being off here. You toggle the switch to on it. So you toggle the switch here on the check for writings suggestions on Google Doc. Now, Grammarly icon will be displayed here, and you can easily use your Grammarly in your Google Docs. Whenever you type or input a wrong text, it will be notified here. So, whenever you input a wrong spelling, Grammarly would notify you and correct your spellings, and you can see in the icon here. So you should be able to correct your spellings. So guys, that is how you can easily add Grammarly to your Google Docs. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe to the channel for more tips. Bye guys, see you in the next video.